Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rifki Bagustin. I'm from the Faculty of Teacher Training and English Education 4th semester. And so today I want a presentation about practicing English speaking through Duolingo application for senior high school student. Okay. For the first one, for background, English speaking is one of the most important language skill because it enables students to communicate effectively in academic and daily life. However, many senior high school students still face difficulties in speaking English due to limited vocabulary, incorrect pronunciation, low self-confidence, and a lack of opportunities to practice. Therefore, technology-based learning media such as the Duolingo application can provide an engaging and accessible way for students to improve their speaking skill through regular practice. For problem statement, why do students experience difficulties in speaking English? And next, how does Duolingo help students improve speaking skill? Next, what are student perceptions after using Duolingo? And the last, what challenge do students face when using Duolingo to practice speaking? For the next slide, research objectives. For the first one, to investigate the use of Duolingo in practicing English speaking, to identify student speaking improvement, to explore student response toward Duolingo, and the last, to identify the challenge students face when using Duolingo to practice speaking. And the next slide, benefits of the study for students to improve speaking confidence and practice pronunciation independently. For teacher, to alternative digital learning media. For research, to reference for future studies. Okay, the next slide, what is speaking? Definition of speaking. Speaking is the ability to communicate ideas, opinion, and information orally using appropriate language. It is one of the main language skills used to express thought and interact with others in daily life. For a component of effective speaking requires several components, including pronunciation, vocabulary, grammar, fluency, and comprehension. By mastering these components, learners can express themselves clearly, interact confidently with others, and communicate more effectively in various situations. For component of speaking, for the first one, component of speaking, the second one, pronunciation, the third one, vocabulary, and fourth one, grammar, fluency, and the last one, comprehension. The next slide, what is Duolingo? Duolingo is mobile language learning application, interactive lesson, voice recognition, daily practice, and gamification system. For the features of Duolingo, you can speaking exercise, listening exercise, vocabulary practice, pronunciation feedback, learning tricks, and the XP and Beach. For the research method, for the first one, qualitative approach, descriptive research, observation, interview, and documentation. For research participant, for senior high school student, English teacher, and student using Duolingo during English learning. For data collection, you can observation, interview, documentation, and file notes. For research findings, students become more confident, practice English more frequently, improve pronunciation, and increase vocabulary. For student response, for the positive response, learning become enjoyable, easy to access, interesting challenge, and flexible learning time. For negative response, technical issue, limited interaction, monotones, and over reliance on translation. For advantage of Duolingo, free application, interactive, user-friendly, motivating, and the last, encourage autonomous learning. For limitation, internet connection required, limited real-life conversation, some speaking exercise are repetitive, and voice recognition may be inaccurate. For discussion, the studies show that Duolingo positively support English speaking practice by increasing motivation, improving pronunciation, building speaking confidence, and encouraging independent learning. For recommendation, for teachers, combine Duolingo with classroom speaking activities. For students, practice consistently every day. For future research, conduct experimental studies with large samples. Okay, for the conclusion, in conclusion, the studies show that Duolingo is highly effective as a supplementary learning tool that makes speaking practice more engaging for students. Furthermore, students demonstrate positive attitudes toward using the application, indicating that teachers can successfully integrate Duolingo into classroom activities to enhance the overall language learning experience. Okay, maybe I think enough. Thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.